Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today we're gonna be making an Afro swing beat. So I made one couple of weeks ago, and you guys really loved that video. So I decided to do a part 2. Let's go right into our DAW so we make an Afro swing beat. And quickly, I've gotten this nice loop from Splice. So quickly, I'm just gonna play what I have because I've already dragged in the sample, and we're working on a tempo of 100 BPM. So I'm just gonna play what the sample sounds like, and then we go into creating this vibe. I really don't know what's gonna come out of this beat. All right, so let me just play what we have there, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, some nice guitar. I think the first thing I'm just gonna bring in is my snare, so I'm gonna be using, just normalize it so it's it hits really hard on the rack, so you guys see. So something like yeah, so just something like this, just go into and just increase the velocity. Yeah, so we have this. I'm just gonna use a swing of let's go with around 10% because I'm just gonna try to do the swing manually. So that's why I'm going with around 10%. So I'm just gonna play a shaker, to add to the groove. So let's just play that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take out this, and nice. Then I'm just gonna lay it on that level of shaker. So this a different shaker together, and let's just stretch it to 2 bars. Yeah, so we have this. Nice. Yeah, so I'm loving this. Then the next thing I'm just gonna bring in is the kick, just a very nice punchy kick. Just gonna have this punchy kick. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this kick. Yeah, I like that. I love the way that sounds. Let's drag this in. I'm just gonna bring it down in because I know it's gonna be really, really loud. It doesn't. Yeah, let's just take this out. Have something like this. Nice. Nice. So with our kick. So basically, I'm just working on the drums because basically it's more about, the swing of the drum. So that's why I'm actually just focused on my drums to, get the drums right, get the drums bouncing the way I actually want it to bounce. So let's see. Yeah, so just copy this. Yeah, so kick. Maybe I'll have a kick like. Nice. So for my shakers, this. Yeah, so I think we have some nice drums. So let's bring it with the guitar. Let's put the chords down. Nice. Yeah, so let me just send my chords, bring it down a little bit. Yeah, so let me just basically send everything to the mixer. Yeah, then I'm gonna load in for the bass. I'm gonna be using Trillion bass, and let's see what we could play around with Trillion bass. And I'm gonna be using this Fender preset. nice. So I'm just gonna use this note to just start everything. So let me just sidechain my kick and my bass, and just send this to my mixer. So let me just try. Yeah, so just something like this. So let me bring in with the shakers. Yeah, nice. So yeah, nice. So yeah, let me just add some add this up, add this up like a transition. Yeah, nice. So just to make it really hit hard, I'm just gonna put in iron pusher. Yeah, so let's go. I think I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add some elements from Contact. Let's just have some nice chords to support it real. So let's be on the key. Let's have our intro. Then I'm just gonna edit this sample, change the sample rate to 1000. I always do this. So this is you guys already know this. Change the sample rate, just drag it back in, and let's stretch it up. Yeah, so it sounds like this. So then at this point we can just then have this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chop it. Let's see. I think the vocal is a little bit. So I think I'm gonna add conga here. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is fire, you know. So just having some nice guitar melodies, you know, we're able to create some nice groovy drums, and this is bouncy. Yeah, man, so guys, you can see making an Afro swing beat is actually very easy. You just have some nice percussion, some nice melodies, and just try to swing your drums a little bit and you are good to go. So if you're yet to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is in the comment section, and I get lots of people complaining about that link. I'm actually working on ways on how to create another platform where we could interact as, you know, music producers. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.